we are going to click on start coding and we'll create a couple of variables. Number 1 and number 2. Okay, number 1, number 2. Now, what's a variable? If you don't remember, or if you are just first time in this class, let's revise that. What's a variable? Yeah, Pratna?
The variable is something like who help events.
Help events. Okay. See, I have this orange ball. Can this orange ball hold the milk in it? Yes. Yes, right? Can it hold sugar? Yes. Can it hold water? Yes. Can it hold biscuits? Yeah. Can it hold sabji? Yes. It can hold all these things. Right? It can hold all these things. This ball is empty and you can put anything into this. So what happens now that this ball, it keeps changing the stuff inside. That is its value. At present, the value can be, it can be say some sabji. After 1 hour, the value in this ball would be milk. After 1 hour, again, that the value in this ball would be say some chivda. After 1 hour, the value in this ball would be some other snacks. Right? Possible? So this ball is not fixed. The value of this ball is not fixed. It can be anything inside. There can be anything inside. It can be chutney. The other day it can be chutney for the samosa. Right? It can be anything. So it keeps changing the value. That means this ball is not fixed. It is variable. Okay? This ball is a variable which keeps changing the value inside. So same way, when we program, sometimes it's possible that we have some number which keeps changing, some value which keeps changing. For that, we can create the variable. Okay, so here we have created two variables. Number 1 and number 2. And then we set number 1 to something which is 2, 4, 5. Okay, and then number 2. Number 2, 4, 5, 2, 8. That is number 2. And now we use print command. Text. And here we mention number 1. Then text. Print. Variable. Number 1. And then number 2. Print number 2. Okay, and let's see what does it print. I'll use the new line in between and run. So number 1 is 2, 4, 5 because here it's 2, 4, 5, and number 2 is 5 to 8 because it is 5 to 8. So number 1 is 2, 4, 5, number 2 is 5 to 8. Okay, so now we have 2 balls. Number 1, number 2, number blue, number orange. Now what do we want to do is, so if we print number 1, the value of this ball will print, right? The blue ball. If I say number 2, and the orange ball will come. Number 1, number 2, number 1, number 2. But I want to change that. What I want is, if I say number 1, then this should come. The orange should come. And if I say number 2, then blue should come. Number 1, number 2, number 1, number 2, number 1, number 2. We want to do that. How? The problem is, if I change the value. So now in this ball, we have milk, and in this ball, we have chutney. And we want to transfer. How will we do that? In this ball, we have milk. In this ball, we have chutney. How do we, and we want to transfer. That means the orange, the blue should have chutney, and orange should have milk. How do we do that? Yes, Sarika?
Sir, for that we need an extra bowl.
Wow, very good. We need an extra ball. So let's have the new ball, the yellow. So now what do? We'll just transfer the orange ball from the orange to all clean, still there. Done. So now this holds the orange ball. Now let's keep this. Now this is empty, no? So we'll transfer the milk from the blue ball into this. All done. The white milk is in orange ball. And now this is having the orange ball. So this is having the milk, the orange ball, and this ball has, this is empty, but this ball has chutney. We'll transfer. This is empty and this has the chutney. हो गया उल्टा? Yes? We have transferred, right? Let's do same in the coding. But I want to do. That is your homework. Okay? You will have to send me a program to transfer values from one variable to another variable. So now, if I print number 1, then the number 2 should come. And if I say number 2, the number 1 should come. Clear? So that is your project work. Do it and send your work to me on email or WhatsApp. Okay?
Thank you.
See you all in the next Havi camp. Bye.